If you're in PNG and you've been wondering how to make real money online in 2025, this video is for you. These 5 legit methods work even if you have phone and a mobile data. Now welcome back to MoneyversePNG. My name is Rugi, and on this YouTube channel I teach simple, honest and real ways to earn money online, even from here in PNG. If you're new, make sure to hit the subscribe button. That leads us to the first legit method of earning money, which is freelancing. Freelancing is a way of working where a person offers their services to different clients or companies without being employed full-time by any of them. Freelancers are self-employed and usually get paid per task or project or hour, usually online. As a freelancer, you don't need a degree, just basic skills in writing, design, voiceover or typing. Websites like Fiverr or Upwork let you offer services like typing assignment, editing short videos, designing logos using Canva. You can earn from $5 to $50 per job. That's over 20 kina to 150 kina per task in PNG context. Which leads us to the second method of earning money online, which is selling digital products. Selling digital products, if you can make money, make a guide, an ebook or even simple PNG design or church flyers on Canva, you can sell them on the websites like Gumroad or Pay. It's free to start. You just need mobile data to upload your product and a PayPal or bank account to get paid. Now, what is Gumroad? Gumroad is an e-commerce platform that allows creators to sell their products directly to their audience or customers. The other website or application is Payhip. What is Payhip? Payhip is an e-commerce platform that enables anyone to sell their work or their product directly to their friends and followers. We provide all the tools you need to get up and running, including your own unique storefront where you can showcase your products from ebooks, softwares, clothing, art, music, and etc. That leads us to the number 3 method of making money online, which is micro tasks and apps. Now, what are micro tasks and applications or apps? Make money in your spare time. Get paid for completing simple tasks. 5 best micro tasks and apps or websites, proven and tested sites to make money online. The number 1 is Clickworkers. In Clickworkers, you can earn approximately from $30 per hour by completing their short gigs at your free time. It's free to sign up, but the requirement is you must be 18 years old and above. The simple tasks you'll be performing or micro tasks are data entry, image annotation, proofreading, image tagging, content moderation. And the number 2 app or website is Appen. Appen is a part-time site. The simple jobs you'll be completing are data entry gigs, content quality rating, content moderation. And the number 3 tested and proven app for microtasks are PlayCloud. PlayCloud is an application that is used to testing new games and applications in development. Sign up and will be tested. If pass the test, you'll be paid 15 minutes test. Be careful and comfortable in following the instruction. Highest paid microtask job is this playtest cloud. If you are good at following instructions and listening, then good on you. You will have some good feedbacks, which lead us to number 4. Number 4 app, which is Fancy Hands. Fancy Hands is for virtual assistants. This is usually for online business owners. You will be responsible for helping clients, writing tasks, writing emails, schedule equipments, taking phone calls, admin work, social media posting, and data entry. And the last proven and tested micro task application is called Lionbridge. In Lionbridge, you'll be performing simple tasks like transcription, moderation, data entry, and etc. Many more out there like Fiverr and number 4 method of earning money online, which is affiliate marketing. What is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is to promote someone's product on a social media and earn a commission when someone buys a product. Now find something that you can have a lot of knowledge in, like for instance home and gardening, fashion, teaching, or many more. Websites like Digistore24, you can refer to it, or impact.com. That leads us to number 5 and final ways to earn online, which is online tutoring or teaching. If you're good at English, mathematics, talk fishing, or even basic computer skills, you can even teach students online on the Cambly for English speakers, or YouTube. Free lessons and later get monetized, or even start a private group and get paid via mobile money or PayPal. Now that brings us to the bonus tips that you're gonna walk away with. Always stay away from anything that get rich quick. Real online income takes time, but it works if you stay consistent or focused. Now, which method do you try first? Comment below, give it a like, share with a friend, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos to real ways to earn money online right here in PNG. and the Pacific. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye for now.